Fishing boy checking in, never missing an opportunity to push this brand or to go fishing. Out here at West Point, found some new friends out here. Boy Daryl out here, Preppy man out here. You see what I'm saying? They have a good time. They out here fishing and they cooking the fish. This how we do it. This how we do it. Yeah, my boy Jay caught a big old bass a minute ago too. So that's how we do it.
This is what we catching live.
Ooh, look at that
Live.
thing, baby. Let me get in that
Live
shot
in the
with
frying
it. Let me
pan.
get in that shot with it.
Live in the frying pan.
This how we do it.
And we got the pot of grits on deck. Yeah.
This how we do it.
Country boy, Alabama, Georgia.
Fishing boy.
Woo.
Let's get it.
Go back.